start with our project summary. The hotel billing system is a feature-rich program created to improve the Velvet Dreams Hotel's hotel service billing procedure. It offers a smooth and effective method to handle guest billing, which includes room charge, additional essentials, and buffet service. By providing precise and straightforward billing, this system attempts to increase overall customer happiness, decrease manual errors, and improve operational efficiency. The main goals are to simplify the billing workflow for hotel staff, reduce management workload and potential errors, improve customer experience by offering guests clear, itemized receipts and the option to add extra service easily, automate billing process to eliminate manual calculations, and also ensure accuracy in billing for room rates, additional service, and dining options. And support flexible pricing and discounts to allow for different room types, discount based on length of stay, and membership benefits. The hotel billing system primary function include room booking and billing, where users can enter the name of the guest, choose from a variety of room types which is standard, deluxe, and suite, and specify how many nights they want to stay. The system then calculates the total cost of the room, applies a discount for stay longer than 5 nights, and determines the final cost of the room after discounts. Furthermore, the system handles extra essentials by letting guests ask for extra towels and toiletries, and figuring out the total cost based on how much is requested. It also serves buffet service by letting guests add buffet service such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner for multiple guests, and figuring out the total cost based on the amount requested. In addition, the system applies a 10% discount based on membership status and merged memberships discounts. It additionally generates a receipt that contains all the information on room prices, additional fees, buffet services, discounts, and the final total. Also, this system will store guest information and hotel stays data. Moreover, the technology offers the convenience of simple room booking for guests. The expected advantages include reduced time and effort for hotel staff, transparent and itemized billing that improve client satisfaction, accurate billing with fewer mistakes, and flexibility in handling various room types, service, and discounts. Through the installation of the hotel billing system at Velvet Dreams Hotel, we hope to completely transform the hotel industry billing procedure, guaranteeing precision, effectiveness, and improve client satisfaction. In the end, we hope to improve the billing procedure and offer a dependable platform for smoothly managing every aspect of guest charge.
The objective for our project is to provide user-friendly hotel billing system. It will allow customers to enter their personal information like name and age, allow customers to choose how many days of staying in the hotel, to choose the type of room they prefer, to choose whether to include buffet or not. Next is to provide customer support. This system uses repetition to allow customers to book another room. A discount will be applied if customers have a membership. The third one is to calculate the total price for our customer. Our project will calculate the total price by considering the room rate based on the room type and the room rate per night, and the extra essential, buffet, and membership. The next objective is to record the complete receipt. It will display all customer information and the complete receipt for our customer. The last one is to optimize the billing process. It will decrease errors and improve the visitor experience through efficient and accurate billing process. We will proceed with analysis for input. The first one is guest name. The type is string. The analysis is the program utilizes gentle to capture the passenger's name, which insert entire name with space. This allows for a more flexible and realistic display of passenger names. The second one is room type. The type is chart, and the analysis is user enter S for standard room, D for deluxe, and U for suite, when indicating whether they wish to reserve a particular type of room. The third one is guest stay. The type is int. And analysis is user can choose how many nights they want to stay at the hotel by entering numeric value. The fourth one is extra essential. The type is child, and analysis is user can input Y for yes and N for no to get extra essential if they want to. The user has the option to rent 12 towels and sets of toiletries if they select Y. The fifth one is buffet. The type is child, and the analysis if user want to include buffet, they can select option Y, otherwise option N. This buffet consists of breakfast, lunch, and dinner and use the same selection option. The last one is membership status. The type for this input is child, and the analysis is user can indicate their membership status by entering Y for yes or N for no. If the user has membership status, they will receive a discount.
The next is analysis process. The first one is calculation of total price. The process overview is the program calculates the total price by considering the room rate based on the room type and the room rate per night. Extra essentials, where it includes quantity of towel and set of toiletries. Buffets that include number of pets for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and applying membership if applicable. The analysis is the calculation is good, structured that makes it easy to know the final price for the hotel billing when membership was applicable. The use of function final price help user to find out the final price for the hotel billing, where the original price minus the discount from membership and the original price total price from the sum of room price, extra essentials, and buffets. The second one is the repetition, which is looping for booking multiple rooms. The process overview is to allow multiple booking of rooms at this hotel. The program uses a do-while loop until the user choose to stop booking. The analysis is for a repetitive booking process. Repetition structure is effective for it. If the users enter the letter N, uppercase or N lowercase, they are allowed to exit the booking process. The third one is count the total of standard, deluxe and suite rooms for booking summary. Process overview is the program will count the total rooms of each room type, which are standard, deluxe and suite rooms booked by the guests for the hotel's booking summary. The analysis is for the total count of each room that is chosen by the guest. It is easier to find it using count variables such as count standard, count deluxe, and count suite. The fourth one is array for storing the information. The process overview is the program will store information so the user will be able to look back on the booking summary at the end of the process. The analysis is array is a good structure to keep the information of the guest, and user will be able to look back at the guest's booking information with the variable name A, store the guest's name, room type A to store the room type that is booked by the guest, and night A to store how many nights did the guest stay at a hotel. Fifth is the return value function for price calculation. The process overview is the program will calculate the price of each room per night and the total price by using the return value function. Analysis is where the function is a good option to find the price of each room per night and the total price of the booking. The function used for price each room per night are called calculation room rate, while for the total price are calculation add. 6 is void function for booking summary. The process overview is the program will generate the booking summary of the hotel's room at the end of the process when there are no more guests booking the rooms. Analysis is the void function is good structure that makes it easy to summary the booking information of the guest information, where the function used are booking summary. Next is the analysis output. The first one is guest information output. The output format is the program shows guest information such as name and room type that they book. Analysis is the output clearly conveys the guest details and makes it simple for users to check the detail of their booking. Second is the total price calculation output. The output format is the program shows the room price, extra essential price, buffet price, total price, and the final price in an organized format. The analysis is the output provides a dividing line for each cost for room, extra essentials, buffets, membership discount, and final price, which helps users to understand each aspect of the cost and the final price they need to pay. Third is invalid statement output, which the output format is the program shows an error message to the user when they make an invalid input. For example, users input the wrong character that is not mentioned in the program. Analysis is the output notifies user about the invalid input and lets the user try again so that it can improve user guidance and prevent unwanted actions. And the fourth one is membership discount and no discount statement output. Output format is the program shows messages to tell the users during the total price calculation whether the membership discount is applied or not. Analysis is the output provides the user with details regarding the application of membership discounts, promoting accessibility and making sure clients are aware of the advantages.
This is the pseudocode. This is the pseudocode of main function. First, the program will start, then it will display the welcome message, which is welcome to Velvet Dreams Hotel. Then the program will read the name and room type chose by the guest. If room type equal to S, then room rate equal to 150 ringgit. Then the room name will be standard. Else, if room type equals to D, then room rate will be 200 ringgit. Then the room name will be deluxe. Else, if room type equals to U, then room rate will be 250 ringgit and the room name will be suite. Else it will display invalid room type if user enter wrong letter. Then the program will read number of nights, then calculate the total room rate by using function called cut room rate. based on number of night and room rate. If number of night more than 5, then 15% discount will be given, else no discount given. Then the program will calculate room after discount by using room after discount equals to number of night times with room rate, then minus with room discount. The program will read the extra essentials. If extra essentials is equal to Y, then the program will read the answer towel, answer toiletries, else display 0.00. If the answer towel equal to Y, then the read towel quantity, towel price equal to 10 ringgit, else the program will display 0.00. Then the program will calculate the total towel price by using the formula of total towel price equal to 10 ringgit times with towel quantity. If answer toiletries equals to Y, then the program will read the toiletries quantities, then the toiletries price will be 15 ringgit, else it will display 0.00. Then the program will calculate the total toiletries price by using the total toiletries price equal to 15 ringgit times with toiletries quantity. Then the program will calculate the total extra essentials by using the formula of total extra essentials equal to summation of total towel price and total toiletries price. Then the program will read the buffets. If buffets equal to Y, then the program will read the packs, answer breakfast, answer lunch, and answer dinner, else the program will display 0.00. If answer breakfast equal to Y, then breakfast price equal to 30 times with number of packs, else the program will display 0.00. If answer lunch equal to Y, then the lunch price equal to 50 ringgit times with packs, else the program will display 0.00. If answer dinner equals to Y, then dinner price equal to 50 ringgit times with packs, else the program will display 0.00. Then the program calculates the total buffets by using the formula of total buffets equal to summation of breakfast price, lunch price, and dinner price. Then the program calculates the total price by using function call, which is calculation at. Then the program read the membership if the guest has. If membership equal to Y, then 10% discount will be given, else the program will display 0.00. Then the program calculates the final price by using the formula final price equal to total price times minus with membership discount. Increment guest count customer plus used in this program. Then the program read the answer. Then the program display the hotel billing system. If the answer equal to N, then the booking process will be N. Then the program call the booking summary function. Lastly, the program will end.
So the code for room rate function start with read night and room rate. The process is calculate total room rate by using total room rate equal to night room rate. Next, the output is it will return total room rate. The pseudocode N. This is the pseudocode for the calculation at function. It will start with read room after discount, total extra essential, and total buffet. Second one is the process, which is calculate total price equals to room after discount plus total extra essential plus total buffet. The output is return total price, then the pseudocode N. For booking summary pseudocode, it will start with display Velvet Dream Hotel booking summary. Second is display total standard room book with count standard variable. Third one is display total deluxe room book with count deluxe variable. Fourth one is display total suite room book with count suite variable. The fifth one is display guest booking information. Next, it will display guest hashtag with J+1 followed by display guest name with name A, J variable. A is the display room type choose by guest with room type A, J variable, and the last one is display night stay by guest with night A, J variable and night followed by N.
Next is the design algorithm, which is flowchart. The first flowchart is for main function. Firstly, we start and then display welcome to Velvet Dreams Hotel, and then display enter the guest name and read name. Next, display choose the type of the room, enter S for standard, D for deluxe, and U for suite, and read the room type variable. So if the room type is equal to S, the room rate will be 150 ringgit and the room net is standard. If the room type is D, room rate will be 200 ringgit and the room name will be deluxe. Lastly, if you put U for the room type, the room rate will be 250 ringgit and the room name will be suite. Next, after we enter the character of the room type, the process will display an invalid room type if we put a different character other than S, D and U. Next, display enter how many nights the guest want to stay in and read the nights variable. After it read the night variable, it calculate total room rate equals to calculation room rate night room rate. If night over the 5, calculate room discount equals to night times room rate times 0.15. If the night is not over 5, the room discount will be 0. After that, it will display does the guest need extra essential, Y or N, and then it will read the extra essentials variable. If the extra essential variables is equal to Y, it will display does the guest want to rent a tower, yes or no, and read the answer tower variable. If the answer tower variable is equal to Y, it will display enter the quantity of tower needed and read the tower quantity, and then it will calculate the total tower price where it's equal to 10 times tower quantity, and if the answer tower is other than Y, it will display does the guest need a set of toiletries and read the answer toiletries variable. If the answer toiletries variable is Y, it will enter the quantity of set of toiletries needed and read the toiletries quantity variable. After that, it will calculate the total toiletries price where it's equal to 15 times toiletries quantity. But if the answer toiletries is other than Y, it will display does the guest want to include the buffets. After it display does the guest want to include the buffets, it will read the buffets variable. If the buffets variable is Y, it will display how many pets and read the pets variable. After that, it will display does the guest want breakfast and read the answer breakfast variable. If answer breakfast variable is equal to Y, it will calculate breakfast price equals to 30 times pets. It will display does the guest want lunch and read the answer lunch variable. If answer lunch variable is equal to Y, it will calculate the lunch price equals to 50 times pets. And then it will display does the guest want dinner and read the answer dinner variable. If the answer dinner variable is equal to Y, it will calculate the dinner price as 50 times pet. After that, it will calculate the total buffets where it's equal to breakfast price plus lunch price and dinner price. After that, it will calculate total price equal to calculation add room after discount, total extra essential and total buffets. For the question, does the guest want to include the buffets on the early? If the buffets is not equal to Y, it will display does the guest has hotel membership and read the membership variable. So if membership variable is equal to Y, it will calculate the membership discount equals to total price times 0.10 and the final price equals to total price minus membership discount. If the membership variable is not equal to Y, it will calculate the membership discount as 0 and the final price will be total price minus membership discount. After that, it will display Velvet Dreams Hotel, hotel billing system, guest name with name variable, night stay by guest with night variable and night, room type with room name variable, room rate per night with room rate variable, total price of room rate with total room rate variable, room discount applied with room discount variable, total price of room after discount with room after discount variable, extra essentials, tower price with tower price variable, tower quantity with tower quantity variable, set of toiletries price with toiletries price variable, set of toiletries quantity with toiletries quantity variable, total extra essential price with total extra essential variable, and then they display buffets, breakfast price with breakfast price variable, lunch price with lunch price variable, dinner price with dinner price variable, total buffets price with total buffets variable, membership discount applied with membership discount variable, and final price with final price variable, all together at the same time. And then it will display is there another guest that wants to book a room, and then read the answer variable. If the answer is not equal to N, it will display booking summary, count standard, count deluxe, count suite, count customer, name A, room type A, and night A. If the answer is other than N, it will start over the process and start it from display welcome to Velvet Dreams Hotel. and it's the end. Second flowchart is the calculation room rate function. Firstly, we start it, and then it will read night and room rate variable. Next, it will calculate total room rate equals to nights times room rate, and then it will return total room rate, and it's the end of the function. The third one is calculation add function, where we firstly start it, and then it will read room after discount, total extra essentials, and total buffets. And then it will calculate total price, which is equals to room after discount plus total extra essentials, total buffets. And then it will return to total price, and it's the end of the function. Lastly is the booking summary function. Firstly, it will start, and then it's display Velvet Dreams Hotel's booking summary. Then it will display total standard rooms booked with count standard variable, display total deluxe rooms booked with count deluxe variable, display total suite rooms booked, count suite variable, display guest booking information, display guest with J+1, display guest name with name A J variable, display room type choose by guest with room type A J variable, and then display night stay by guest with night A J variable and night. And it's the end of the function.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Ayamaysara bint Anwar. Now I'm going to explain about our source code in our program. First, we use two different types of libraries, which are include iostream for input and output operations, and include iManic for formatting output. Below the libraries, we use the namespace, which is using namespace std to avoid using std double colon prefix. Here are our function prototypes used. First function used to calculate room rate. Second function used to calculate the total price. Third void function used to display the hotel's booking summary. In the main function, there is variables. We declare variables for user inputs, calculations, and storing booking informations. The user will be displayed with our welcome message. The do while loop allows the multiple bookings until the user decides to stop by entering lowercase or uppercase of letter N for the questions after the hotel bid. The program collects various input from the user such as guest name, room type, number of nights, extra essential need by guest, buffets if the guest want, and hotel membership status. Array is used to store guest booking information like the guest names that known as name A. Next is selection for room type and rate, which is used to determine the room type and rate based on user input and increments the respective room type counter. Array is used to store guest booking information and number of nights by user that is known as night A. The program then calls the cut room rate function to calculate the total room rate based on number of nights and room rate. This is two-way selection to determine whether 15% of discount is applied. If the guest stays more than 5 nights, then it will calculate room rate after discount. Else, the room rate will still calculate, but the same rate remain. For the extra essentials, the program will ask if the guests need extra essentials like towels and set of toiletries. Then the program uses nested if selection because some guests want specific item. If user enter letter N, the program will end the if selection. Then the program calculates the price of each extra essential, which are the total price of towel and set of toiletries needed based on the quantities for each type. Then the program calculates the total extra essentials by summation the total price of towel and set of toiletries. Next, the program asks if the guest wants to include buffets and calculates the total buffet cost based on the number of packs and meal choices by guests, which are breakfast, dinner, and lunch. This program uses the nested if selection. User need to input the guest choices whether the guest want all of the buffets type, certain type of buffets or not. If user enter N, the program will end the if selection. The program then will calculate the price of each buffet based on number of packs. Then the program calculates the total price of buffets by summation the total price of each buffet. The program calls the calculation add function to calculate the total price including room, extra essentials, and buffets. After that, the program asks the user if the guest has a hotel membership. Two-way selection is used to determine whether 10% discount is applied if the guest has a hotel membership. Then the program will calculate final price after the membership discount. Else, the final price is the same as the total price if the guest did not have the hotel membership. System CLS is used in this program to clear the screen and print the hotel bill for the guest. In the program, Fits and Set Precision 2, which are part of the IOMany library, are used together to control the formatting of floating point number, like room rates, prices of extra essentials, buffet costs, and discounts, to display exactly 2 decimal places, which is standard for financial transactions. The program asks the user if there is another guest that wants to book a room and increments the guest counts. If the user enters a letter other than N, for example, letter Y, then the program will repeat the booking process until user enters letter N, which is the condition to stop the do-while loop. After stopping the loop repetition, the program then calls the booking summary function to display the summary of all bookings. After the main function, there are function definitions. First function is to calculate the total room based on the room rate for room type chosen and night stay by guest. Then it will return the statement of the total room rate back to the main function. Next, the second function is used to calculate total price, which is the summation of room rate after discount, total price of extra essentials, and total price of buffets. Then it will return the statement of the total price back to the main function. Lastly, the third function is responsible for summarizing and displaying the overall booking information for the Velvet Dreams Hotel. It prints out the number of each type of room booked and the booking details for each guest. Parameters used in these programs are Count Standard to hold the total number of standard rooms booked, Count Deluxe to hold the total number of deluxe rooms booked, Count Suite to hold the total number of suite rooms booked, Count Customer to hold the total number of guests who have made bookings, Main A and Array holding the names all of the guests, Room Type A and Array to storing the types of rooms booked by each guest. Then lastly, the Night A, which is an array containing the number of nights each guest has stayed. Moving to sample input and output. First booking. A foreign guest wants to reserve a room at Velvet Dreams Hotel during a holiday. The guest chooses a suite room as his choice. Wants to stay for 6 nights, needs 1 item for each extra essentials, wants each of the buffets for 1 person, and does not have a hotel membership. Diagram shows the display that the hotel staff receives when booking a room for the guest. Diagram shows the hotel bill that is given out after booking a room for the guest. Next, the diagram shows the question that will be received after each hotel bill. Then the hotel staff enter Y to loop the booking process. Second booking. The second guest comes to this hotel with his friends. The guest asks for a deluxe room, wants to stay for 3 nights, needs 2 towels during stays, wants lunch and dinner buffets for 4 people, and has a hotel membership. Diagram shows the display that the hotel staff receives when booking a room for the guest. Diagram shows the hotel bill that is given out after booking a room for the guest. Then the diagram shows the questions that will be received after each hotel bill. The hotel staff enter Y to loop the booking process. Third booking. After that, the third guest wants to book a room. The guest asks for a standard room, wants to stay for 5 nights, needs 3 sets of toiletries for during stays, wants breakfast buffets for 3 people, and does not have a hotel membership. Diagram shows the display that the hotel staff receives when booking a room for the guest. Diagram shows the hotel bill that is given out after booking a room for the guest. Next, diagram shows the question that will be received after each hotel bill. The hotel staff enter Y to loop the booking process. Fourth booking. At the end of the day, the last guest plans to stay at this hotel. This guest asks for a standard room, wants to stay for a week, does not want any extra essentials, also buffets, and has a hotel membership. Diagram shows the display that the hotel staff receives when booking a room for the guest. Diagram shows the hotel bill that is given out after booking a room for the guest. Then the diagram shows the question that will be received after each hotel bill. The hotel staff enter N to stop the loop of the booking process. Record of booking summary. After the last guest, the staff of the hotel enters N. This program stops to conclude the hotel's booking summary at the end of the day. This program shows the total numbers of each type of room booked by guest and the details of the guest booking information. which include the name of the guest, type of room booked by guest, and night stayed by guest. From this booking summary, the hotel receives the whole total number of rooms booked by for each type and checks the guest booking information if there are any problems or services needed for the room that the guest booked. Diagram shows the booking summary that the hotel received after booking a room for the last guest.
So our group discussion is the Velvet Dreams Hotel booking system is made to manage reservation for guests, calculate costs, and generate true reports. The libraries, iStreams, and iManic were used in the development of the C++ booking system. After providing a warm welcome to the user, the program will process several reservations in a loop. Guests can choose from 3 different kinds of rooms, which is standard, deluxe, and suite. The daily rates are 150 ringgit, 200 ringgit, and 250 ringgit according to order. If a guest plans to stay longer than 5 nights, the system takes that into account and offers a discount. Extra essentials like toiletries and towels that guests choose to bring along raise the total cost of their stay. They may request buffet meals, which are breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and will be charged based on pax. Finally, after all choices have been made, the total billing is obtained by adding the room rate after deducting the applicable discount, extra item charges, and buffet charge. If the customer has a hotel membership, then there is an additional 10% discount. Once the booking process is over, the program inquires whether another room needs to be booked by another guest. Thus, it keeps on repeating until the user prompts that they are true. It will also be able to generate a detailed bill for each guest indicating all the charges and discounts. In addition, it will summarize bookings taken up by the hotel, such as the number of each room type booked and guest details of their stay. Among other things, using functions like calculate room rate, calculation add, and booking summary will make this modular, readable code for easier maintenance and updates in the future. This booking system is going to work smoothly, not only in easing the reservation process at Velvet Dreams Hotel, but also in providing a perfect system for accurate billing and efficient record keeping.
In conclusion, the hotel billing system is a sophisticated and feature-rich program has dramatically improved Velvet Dream Hotel billing procedure. The system manages guest billing in simplified and effective manner, covering room costs, additional requirements, and buffet service, assuring correctness and clarity in all transactions. Its core tasks, which range from booking and invoicing to handling additional service and applying discounts, are designed to ease process for hotel staff, reduce management workload, and minimize potential errors. The system's ability to generate exact and itemized receipts enhance the customer experience by providing guests with clear billing information and convenient access to additional services. Automation of billing process eliminates the need for manual computation, resulting in more accurate and consistent invoicing for hotel rates, supplementary service, and meal alternatives. Furthermore, the system allows for flexible pricing and discount, including multiple accommodation kinds, membership privilege, and discount based on the length of stay. The fourth one is extra essential. The type is char, and analysis is user can input Y for yes and N for no to get extra essential if they want to. The user has the option to rent towels and sets of toiletries if they select Y. The fifth one is buffet. The type is char, and the analysis if user want to include buffet, they can select option Y, otherwise option N. This buffet consists of breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and use the same selection option. The last one is membership status. The type for this input is char, and the analysis is user can indicate their membership status by entering Y for yes or N for no. If the user has membership status, they will receive a discount. With the capacity to store guest information and hotel sales data, our hotel billing system provides significant insight into billing trends and financial performance. By minimizing the time and effort necessary for billing, the system increases transparency and client satisfaction. Ultimately, the Velvet Dream Hotel billing process has ensured precision, efficiency, and increased client happiness. With this employment, we hope to provide a dependable platform for seamlessly handling all aspects of visitor charge, thereby improving the entire billing experience for both staff and guests.